Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read nani or ka in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means what? It has 7 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like ka. On its own, it is usually nani. A person turning with a question on their lips. What is it? Now let's write it. 7 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Nani means what? Nanji means what time? And nannin means how many people. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Kawa, read kawa, river. Ka, read ka, possible. So that's nani, what? 7 strokes, read nani or ka. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.